Let's take a look at this before we forget. If you select the clipping plane, notice that you can name it. Let's name it A1, and you can add a label to it. Let's select this one. And now if you zoom in, you have the label on your clipping plane. This is really important if later on you want to select this clipping plane in Grasshopper. Now, sometimes when you are clipping objects, by mistake, you select one of these and you start trying to clip your drawing and nothing happens. So be aware that perhaps you selected one of these. Make sure to go back to all and clip. We're going to look at these two in the next video.